Hello students, welcome back to my class. I hope that you have penned down all the previous notes, okay, which is taught in the class. So today I shall be starting question number 5, alright. So let us see how to solve question number 5. So here we have to find the value of each of the following, okay. Here the fractions are given in a division forms. Here we have to divide, okay. So let us see how to divide a fraction. So 5a, so let us do 5a. It is 1 by 6 divided by 5 by 6, alright. So what we should do, see, whenever the division is there, okay, we should change this sign, okay, into multiplication. So what we shall do is 1 by 6 into, okay, when we change the sign, then this will get reversed. It means the denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. So it will become 6 by 5. Is it clear? So this and this will cancel, okay, and what left is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is the answer. Is it clear? Okay, so let us try a few more questions. So let us see H, the last one. Okay, 5H. So here you see it is, the question is 5, 1 by 4, okay, by 2, 3 by 4. So what does it mean? So instead of writing like this, okay, 5, 1 by 4 divided by 2, 3 by 4, what they did, they just wrote like this, okay, this becomes a denominator. So first of all, we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, okay, 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 4, okay, and it will be a 4 2s are 6, sorry, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, okay, 11 by 4, right? What happened when we will divide this, okay, so this is a division, isn't it, 1 by this. So when we will change its sign, it will become into, and when it become into, the fraction will get reversed, right? So 21 by 4 into, so 4 is denominator here, isn't it? So it will go up, it will become numerator, and the numerator will become denominator. Could you follow this? So 4 is cancelled. So your answer is 21 by 11. Now we can convert this into mixed fraction. So let us see. So 11 1 to 11, right? 0, 10. Correct? So now 10 is not divisible by 11, isn't it? So it is a remainder. So 1, 10 by 11. So or 1, 10 by 11. Correct? So I hope that question number 5 is clear to you. So let us try one more question from here, okay? So let us try question number E. 5E. Okay, so what is 5E? 1 3 by 11 divided by 28 by 33. 1 3 by 11, 28 by 33. Okay, first let us convert this. 11 1 to 11 plus 3 is 14 by 11, okay, divided by 28 by 33. Now what shall we do next? This sign should be this, into, right? Divide will become multiplication. So 14 by 11 into 33 by 28. So 11 3s are 33 and 14 2s are 28, okay. So this will become your 3 by 2. Are you getting it? And if you convert this into mixed fraction, then this will become your 1 by 2. Because 1 and half, right? 3. If you divide it into two parts, this will become 1 half or not? 1 and half, right? So therefore 1 by 2, 2 1 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Okay. So I hope that you can do this. So rest of the question you try it by yourself, okay? And if you could not do, then you can ask me, I'll show you how to do, okay? So this is your question number 5. So let us try our next question. So, dear student, let us try our next question. That is question number 6, where we have to evaluate, okay, where we have to find the value. So, let us try question number 6a. Here we have to find the value of 5 by 7 of 3 1 by 2. Okay, we have to find how much 5 by 7 will be of 3 1 by 2. Okay, we have to find out 5 by 7 of 3 1 by 2. So, first what we have to do is we have to convert this. Okay, so 5 by 7 of 3 2s are 6 plus 7 by 2. Then of means in place of we have to write into, right? Then 7 by 2. This 7 will cancel out. Remains 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is your 2, 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Am I clear? So I hope that this is clear. So let us try one more question, okay, so that you can understand this question better. So let us try E. 1 by 4 of 8 kilometers. So how much 1 by 1 4 will be of 8 kilometer? Okay. So first we have to convert this. 4 1 4 plus 1, it's 5 by 4 of 8 kilometer, right? So 5 by 4 into 8. So 4 2s are 8, correct? Then 5 2s are 10. So 10 kilometer. So 1 by 4 of 8 kilometer will be the 10 kilometer. Alright. So I hope that this is clear to you. So let us try one more question from this. That is your question number 6. Let us try question number 6G. So the question is 5 by 8 of 2.50 liter. Okay. So what shall we do now? See, this is given in decimal, right? So 5 by 8 of means into 2.50, isn't it? So you might get difficult to divide this. See this. Okay. So what shall we do? Let us first write this into decimal fraction. Okay, convert this into decimal fraction. How? 5 by 8 into, now suppose if we want to remove this decimal, then we have to divide it by 100, correct? So 250 by 100 is equivalent to 2.50. Am I clear? Okay, so what shall we do? This 0 and this 0 will cancel out, right? So 5 2s are 10. Fine. 25 by 16. So let us see. 25. Okay, 16 1 16. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Correct? So it means 9 by 16 liter. Am I clear? So 5 by 8 part of 2.50 liter will be 9 by 16 liter. So here we are finding, in this question we are finding the fraction, the part, how much this will be this. Okay, how much this, the 5 by 8 will be, how much the 5 by 8 of this will be. Okay, we are finding out the value of a fraction. All right. So I hope that this is clear to you and you'll be able to do the rest of the question. So try rest of the question. Okay, so let us try another question. All right, so let us try question number 7. That is your simplify. So let us see how we have to simplify this. So question number 7A. 2 by 7 divided by 1 by 6 of 6 by 7. So student, in this question, what shall we do is that first we have to solve this portion, the of. Okay, first we have to solve this. Am I clear? Okay, I hope now you can see this clearly. Okay, so and before that we have to convert this into improper fraction. Okay, 7 2s are 14 plus 2 is 16 by 7 divided by 1 by 6 of 6 by 7. So 16 by 7 divided by 1 by 6 of means into 6 by 7. this will be cancelled out, right? So 16 by 7 divided by 1 by 7. Okay, here in this point I would like to tell you one thing. Okay, you might be thinking that according to Bodmer's rule, the into should be solved later, right? The division should. No, see, Bodmer's bracket of this of is this. Okay, so after bracket we have to solve of, right? In the previous video I did not mention this because there was no of in previous chapters, if you remember. Okay, so this of is this. So division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So therefore we did this of. So we got 1 by 7. Now we have to change this sign. 16 by 7 into 7 by 1. Correct? So this 7 and this 7 will be cancelled out. So your answer is 16. I hope that you are able to follow this. So let us try one more question from the same. So I hope then it will be more clear to you. Okay. So let us try question number E, 7E. So question is 5 by 9 of 5 2 by 3 divided by 3 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 2. Okay. So what shall we do first? First, let us just convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, 5 by 9 of 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17 by 3 divided by 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 by 3 into 3 2s are 6 7 by 2. I hope you can see this. Okay, so what we did, we just convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, next let us solve this. Why of? Okay, first we have to solve this of 5 by 9 into 17 by 3 divided by 10 by 3 into 7 by 2. Alright, so this is not divisible, right? So what shall we do? We shall directly multiply. Okay, then 9 3s are 27 and 17 5s are 85. So let us check. 7 5s are 35, 5 3s are, okay, well, it's 85. Okay, 17 5s are 85. Correct? Okay, now divided 10 by 3 into 7 by 2. Now what comes next? BOD, division, right? MES, division. So next we will do this. So 85 by 27. Now division will change into multiplication into, right? 3 by 10 into 7 by 2. Correct? So 3 9 ja, right? 9 3s are 27. Correct? Alright. Now let us see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 85 is divisible by 3 or not. So 3 2s are 6. No, it is not divisible by 3. Alright. Now what shall we do next is, let us just write all this together. 85, I hope you all can see this. Okay, let me just write down here. Okay, so 85 by 9 into 10 and into 2 is into 7. Alright, so what shall we do is, let us just multiply all this. So 85 into 7, how much it will be? 7 5 is 35, 3, then 8 7 is 56, 56 plus 3 is 59, so 595 by 9 into 10 is 90, into 2 is 180. Alright, so this is divisible by 5 now, right? So 5 3s are 15, okay, and 5 6 are 30. Now here 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 9 is 45. So 119 by 36. So let us divide this. Okay. So I am going to rub this. Okay. The question part. So let us see how much it will comes. 119 by 36. So 36 3s are 6 3s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 10. Okay. Is 108. So 19 minus 8 will be, sorry, 9 minus 8 will be 1. Then this is 111. So your answer will be 311 by 36. I hope that you are able to follow this. Okay, so student, let us try one more question from question number 7. Okay, so let us try to solve question number 7H. So first, let us try to understand the question. See what we have to do here. 5 by 12 of 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by this. It means we have to first solve this portion. Okay, and then only we have to find how much 5 by 12 will be the result of this. Okay, so first we have to find the result of this. Okay, so let us do this one by one. So 5 by 12 of, okay, so let us just find its LCM. So LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. So 4 3s are 12, right? So 3 into 3 plus 1, then divided by, the LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. How? See, the greater one is 8, right? But 8 is not a multiple of 6, isn't it? So 8 2 just 16. Even 16 is not a multiple of 6. So 24. So 8 3 is a 24. 24 is a multiple of both 8 as well as 6. So LCM, lowest common multiple of 8 and 6 is 24. So 7 into 4 minus 7 into 3 minus 1 into 4. Okay. So 5 by 12 of 10 by 12, correct? 3 3s are 9 plus 1, divided by 7 3s are 21 minus 4 by 24. So 5 by 12 of 10 by 12 divided by 21 minus 4 is 17 by 24. Now let us solve this first. Okay, 5 by 12 of 10 by 12 into, so this we have to change, right? So 24 by 17. So 12 2s are 24. Got it? So 5 by 12 of 10 2s are 20 by 17. Clear? I hope you all can see this. Next, 5 by 12 of, in place of what we have written, into 20 by 17. Okay, so let me just solve this here. So 5 by 12 into 20 by 17. Correct? Now 2 6 are 12. Okay. So 2 10s are 20. Fine. Okay. So 2 3s are 6. Okay. 2 5s are 10. Clear? 5 into 5 is how much? 25. And 17 3s are 51. So your answer is 25 by 51. I hope that it is clear to you. Alright, so from the same question, okay, let us try one more question, because here in this question, whatever different types are given, okay. So let us try one more type. Question number L, 7L. Okay. So why am I showing you different types? So that you can do the rest of the question by yourself, okay. So concept is very much important. So let us try L. So the question is 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 5 of 1 2 by 3 by 1 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 1 by 3. Okay. Here in this question, here you can see the two equation, right? Numerator and denominator is given, isn't it? So let us solve this. 1 by 4 divided, see first we have to solve this, okay? 1 by 5 of 3 1 is 3 plus 2. It's 5 by 3. Then come to denominator. 2 1 is 2 plus 1. It's 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 divided by 3 1 is 3. 4 by 3. Clear? Okay. Then what we will do next? Let us solve this. 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 5 into 5 by 3. Okay. And below 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. See, division will come, isn't it? So, let us just change the sign into and it will become your 3 by 4. Correct? Here, this 5 and this 5 is cancelled, and in denominator 3 and 3 is cancelled. Correct? I hope you all can follow this. Then what left in the numerator? 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 3. Fine? And below it's 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Got it? Now, let's do the next step, okay? So, 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 3, it's 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Now, what we have to do is change this. 1 by 4 into, it's 3 by 1, okay? Or you can just simply write 3. Then here 2 and 4, we have to take LCM. So, 4 is the LCM. 2 2s are 4, right? So, 3 into 2 minus 1. Here, okay? So, 3 by 4 by 6 minus 1 is how much? 5 by 4. Got it? Then 3 by 4. This is division, right? So, when we change it, this will become 4 by 5. So, this 4 and this 4 is gone. Then left your 3 by 5. So, I hope that this is clear to you. So, students, I have shown you each type from this question, right? How to solve the different types. So, rest of the question you try to solve by yourself, okay? You do it by yourself, and then also if you're finding any difficulty, then just let me know, okay? So, this is all from this question. So, one more question is left. So, let us try that question, the next question, that is question number 8.